Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch to grid view for your Google slide decks. If you go to View, right down here, Grid View, and basically what this is going to do is it's going to sort of take you out of edit mode for these slides, and it's just going to show you the slides in chronological order. So notice I have this one's first, this one's second, this one's third. Not really going to edit in this view, but what I can do is if I have a lot of slides and maybe I want to reorder them, it's way easier to reorder slides in grid view than it would be in edit mode, mainly because if you go to edit mode, so if I switch this off, notice on the left hand side here I'm going to see maybe 6 slides. If my presentation is fairly large, I'm going to see a lot more here than I would in edit mode, and it would just be easier to switch the order around, get a sense for the order in which these things are appearing in this mode rather than just looking at 6 at a time on the side when I'm in edit mode. So there's probably going to be occasions where you want to get a big sort of overall picture of what your slide deck looks like. Grid view is a good way to get it.